all the agents had a chance to look at all the forms, and if there was any issue, then it will be brought to our attention as a commission and is resolved before that result is announced. And in fact, at the end of the day, then after everything is clear, then the commissioners would go and announce the result. I announced the first result. I think that was Webuye East, and then the rest were done by the commissioners.
So you are saying it was thorough?
Yes.
Involved everyone?
Yes.
The commissioners also?
Yes, everybody was involved.
All right.
Yeah.
Was there any point where, and I mean particular, Commissioner Irene Masit came and said, this, what you have verified as the results, looking at the portal or what was scanned at the polling station, is a problem or is not correct?
I'm not aware of any such issue being raised by Commissioner Masit about the results being or not being correct.
Not being correct.
Yeah.
And this announcement, you're saying you did the first one. Who did the other announcements?
We have 291 returning officers for the 2022 general elections, presidential elections, and all the rest of the announcements or for the results was done by the commissioners. I don't have figures as to who announced how many, but the rest of the commissioners did the announcement.
We will get to the point where Commissioner Irene Masit appears to have an issue, but did she make announcements herself?
Yes, she did. She announced quite a number of constituency results for presidential election.
And during her announcement, did she raise any issue? You are asking me to announce this. I have a problem. Was there any issue raised?
Not from Commissioner Masit. Maybe the other commissioner, one had an issue with the depilation of results, and we resolved it, and they went back and announced the correct result. I think that was Commissioner Nyangaya.
In one area?
In one area.
One constituency? 291?
Yes.
But nothing from Irene?
Nothing from Commissioner Masit.